In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit an orange and black effect. Hi, I'm Age from Liquid Earth. We'll edit this picture to an orange and black effect, and then we'll save that as a preset, and you can apply that as a filter to any other image. Okay, first of all, let's go to light. I'm going to pull the contrast up to +24 and the highlights down to -60. Take the shadows up to +8, and let's pull the whites down to -27 and the blacks down to -13. Next, go into the curves, and we want the RGB curve. Add 3 points by tapping on the image, and we're going to pull up a very slight S curve. Pull up the midtones to a little bit, and once you've done that, press done. Next, go into colour, and let's take the vibrance up a tad. We'll put that up to +11, and then go into colour mix. Starting on the reds, we're going to pull the saturation up to +5. We're going to take the luminance down to -20. Next, we're going to check the orange. Take the hue down a little bit, -13. Saturation up. Let's do a little bit more, +6. And the luminance, we're going to take that up to around +20. Next, go into the yellow and add a bit of saturation. 26 on the saturation, and luminance down to around -13. And in the greens, take the hue down to -50 or so, and the saturation, we're going to take that down to -78, and then go into aqua. Take the saturation down to -79. And in the blues, take the saturation all the way down to -100. Next, purples, pull the saturation down to -81. And finally in magenta, we're going to pull the saturation down to -80. And press done. Next, go to effects, and let's add some texture to our image, +35. We're also going to add some clarity, +35, and a bit of dehaze, +26. Small vignette on there, let's do -9, and then go into split toning. In the highlights, we're going to go to 217 and 16 on the saturation, and we're going to leave the shadows as they are, and press done. Next up is detail. Let's sharpen the image to +35 and mask that out to 68, and we're done. You can press and hold the image to see the before and after, and now we want to save that as a preset. To do that, press the 3 dots, the settings button, create preset, give your preset a name. You can save that in a preset group or create your own, so press user presets. If you click create new preset, you can create a new folder and save it there. These are the parameters that you need ticked, and then just press the tick in the top right. And that's saved, and now we can apply that to any other image. And to apply that, you press the preset button. Let's go to our user presets, and here we have the orange and black. Thanks for watching. If you found that useful, please like and subscribe, it really helps. I'll be uploading tutorials for Lightroom, both the mobile and desktop versions, as well as lots of presets every week. Thanks again, I'll see you guys next time.